Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
The National Testing Agency has released the UGC NET admit card for June session on the official website ugcnet.nta.nic.in. Candidates can download the admit card of UGC NET using their application number and date of birth. The UGC NET exam will be conducted from September 24 to November 5. Earlier, the UGC NET 2020 for June session was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. Those who are appearing for the UGC NET exam need to follow social distancing norms as well as other COVID-19 guidelines provided by the government and ensure that they are strictly followed at the exam center. Careers 360 brings to you the steps to download the NTA UGC NET admit card. First, visit the official website of UGC NET. Click on the link available for UGC NET admit card. A new page will open on the screen. Enter your application number, date of birth along with the captcha code in the box provided. You will be directed to a new page wherein all your details will be mentioned. Now, click on the page Download Admit Card. The admit card of UGC NET will be displayed on the screen and candidates will have to take its printout for future use. Some of the important details that are mentioned in the UGC NET admit card are your roll number, name of the candidate, date of birth, category, father's name, gender, application number, photograph and signature, person with disability, yes or no, reporting time, subject applied for, center number, address of the center, time of gate closing, time of the exam, shift first or second, and other important instructions. The National Testing Agency has laid down the standard operating procedure for all the candidates who will appear for the exam. Some of the guidelines which are issued by NDA are sanitizing of the seating area before the exam, mandatory to wear mask, thermal checking of the temperature. It is mandatory to maintain a distance of minimum 6 feet while at the test center of NTA UGC NET. After the conclusion of the exam, candidates should not rush out and leave the exam hall only after the invigilator tells them to do so.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.